Kale is one of the healthiest veggies you can eat. But what if I told you that you could grow it non-stop on your kitchen counter with a machine this small and never buy kale again? Sound crazy? I made it happen. Let me show you how. Most people think kale is too big for indoor hydroponics. It grows fast, it gets tall, and if you're using a desktop grow system, it quickly hits the light and stops growing properly. So what do people do? They throw it out or move it outdoors, if they even have space. But here's the thing, not everyone has a backyard, especially in big cities like Stockholm, New York, or Tokyo. So are we supposed to say goodbye to fresh, high-nutrient kale just because we live in apartments? Nope. I came up with a weird but brilliant method to grow kale forever, even in a tiny tabletop grow box like this one. The trick? You have to flatten your kale. Yep, literally push it down to the ground. Here's what most people don't know. Kale only grows from the top. The bottom stem after leaf harvest is just a useless stick. So I thought, what if we bend the stem flat like this and bring the light closer again? It looks a bit like plant torture, but it actually works beautifully. The kale starts growing fresh new leaves again and again. And when it gets tall again, just repeat. Press it down, reset the lights, and let it rise again like a phoenix. I've been harvesting from the same kale plant for over 3 months using this cycle. That's way longer than traditional indoor growing. This idea came from commercial tomato farms. They grow vines that stretch hundreds of meters, coiling them at the base after each harvest. I thought, why not apply the same principle at home for kale? Got your own hydroponic tricks or plant hacks? I'd love to hear them. Drop them in the comments or join our Discord, links in the description. We're building a worldwide grow-at-home community. Come be part of it. By the way, I'm Richard, founder of FreeBonde. We design smart hydroponic machines made for urban homes. No experience needed. If you want your own homegrown salad bar right on your desk, check out our machines below. And because you watched till the end, here is a bonus just for our YouTube fam. Use code YouTubeFans at checkout to get 30% off your machine. The link's in the description. Like, subscribe, and grow smart. I'll see you in the next video.